primary cells have a limited lifespan. So, subculturing them at the right moment is critical for experimental success. Today, we will walk through the step-by-step process of passaging these sensitive cells without compromising their phenotype. Step 1. Preparation and inspection. So begin by examining your culture under a phase contrast microscope to ensure the cells are healthy and roughly 70 to 80% confluent. Warm your specialized primary cell growth media and balanced salt solution to room temperature in a water bath. Then aspirate the spent media and gently rinse the cell monolayer with a calcium and magnesium free phosphate buffered saline or PBS. Step 3. Dissociation. This is the most critical step. Add a low concentration trypsin or a non-enzymatic dissociation buffer and then incubate at room temperature. Now once cells begin to round up and detach with a gentle tap, immediately add a trypsin neutralizing solution. Step 4. Centrifugation and resuspension. Then transfer the cell suspension to a sterile conical tube and centrifuge at a low speed as mentioned. Then carefully discard the supernatant and resuspend the delicate cell pallet in fresh pre-warmed growth media. Step 5. Seeding and recovery. Now perform a cell count at the manufacturer's recommended density in order to ensure proper cell-to-cell signaling. Then place the flasks back into the incubator and record the new passage number. This was all. Thanks for watching.